Happy Easter! Right, so we have a Ferrari edition 695 that's turned up to the meet. There we go. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and you join me at my second car meet that I've organised and held myself. A few people have gone by now. I've not really been filming this video. I've been a bit shy to get the camera out really. I've just been enjoying people's company and talking off camera. But I'll just show you around the cars that are here. A few of them have gone already, like I just said. We've brought a doggy along. We've got a bit of a dog fest going on. I've got a beetle on my arm. And yeah, show you what's here and what's happening. I have my little cousin Lee. Hey Lee, you on YouTube? He's doing his own car video. So now you're on video.
Bye.
Because we're in the heart of the New Forest, there have been a lot of donkeys visiting our little meet. That's fine. Right, so we have a Ferrari edition 695 that's turned up to the meet. There should be carbon everywhere on this car. So we've got the carbon mirrors, carbon pillars there, the all-important 695 badge. And apparently there's a different yellow to the modern yellow and the rally yellow, which I now have on my Abarth, which is quite interesting. Then we've got a 595 Turismo. It's the local guy, always representing. Thank you very much, the Angry Birds man. He's been to a few of our meets before, so it's nice to have him back. It's very clean actually, Turismo. Jealous of the leather seats. Very tidy. We have the events organiser here. Got my bonnet open. Here we go. My parents' comp next to mine. We have the 595 Speciale here. Modified Abarth. It's got an air intake on his as well, induction kit on his. I've seen this one before. Say-bolts. Oh, it's got a different knob going on.
It's 745 at the pub around the corner. I'm trying to get in all in like the line, but I don't know how well that's going to go. What's 745?
And then we have the little German section over here. So this Porsche's come all the way from Devon. Turbo S. The lush red leather. These wheels were an optional extra, and I think it has to be done. They're just stunning. Oh, look at the brake size. This one's got a baby donkey inside the tummy. Actually, I won't go around the rear. They took this out a little while ago for a bit of a hoot, and when they came back I said, you do realise you've got your show plates on? They're like, oh my god. That was quite funny. Audi gang are going. Well, they don't sound too bad. So we did have two Audis, they've now gone. Two S3s. Over here we got Mike's BMW. Saw this at Brighton lately as well. Yes? Last time we saw this was at the Brighton Incarnation show. God, look how low that is. She's tucking. Go on, at the front and at the back, I mean. Remus, yes. So we walk past a collection of horses and donkeys we've got here in New Forest. We find Lee again, but someone I work with brought his friends along, and they brought along this real old Alpha, and they brought along this lovely Daimler. Now I like all cars, new and old, but the old stuff's just definitely different.
Then we have this old...
That's old age tuck in there. Isn't it lovely, like old school Nardo grey, sort of duckhead blue colour. Little tiny little marker lights there. And then this is the old Alfa. I thought it was one of those kit car things, but no, it's an Alfa Romeo. I've never seen an Alfa quite like this and quite this old.
Can I have a go on your big one? So, on that one.
So look at that massive bumper support.
Yep.
Over here we've got rally style switches. Wooden dash. What do we think, Lee? Do we like this one?
Yeah.
Stop videoing me, I'm videoing you. Oh, you scared the horses! Thank you! Scared all the horses. Where's he going? Oh, he's going that way. Thanks! Both got their shades on. There we go. God, that pops a lot.
That's still cold engine.
Yeah.
No!
What are you doing?
He's not supposed to.
No, it's not.
No, that's not.
Bath Punto, Gareth turned up in his. Late comer, but oh well. So yesterday, obviously the bath got cleaned for my meet that we had yesterday. And the Proton actually got a bit of love in. She got her first sort of mini wash yesterday. And then me and Dale, once you start something, it's hard to stop sometimes. So me and Dale were on it with clay bars, trying to decontaminate all the tar and stuff in it. So we've done like a sort of half the car, just got the roof, the back, and well, 3/4 of the car to go as such. But yeah, she had a bit of love in, trying to get all the moss out of all the body plastics and stuff. So again, that's our little ongoing thing. She's now been covered over since we have done a bit of cleaning sesh to her. Talking about cleaning and the car's been under these trees here, we're going to try and get some like permission to put up like a temporary sort of structure. Yeah, because like I said, I cleaned the car yesterday. It's really got a couple of little bird memories on it, bird poo. So yeah, we can get a temporary structure, a couple of timber, little posts, little perspex, plastic on top of the roof. That'll keep these two cars a bit tidier for longer. Plans for Easter Saturday is the Passat's missing because Dale's had to do a half day at work. How annoying. When he comes home, get his car in the driveway, clean his, because his Passat and the Bath are going to a little breakfast meet at a German tuning place, but it says any cars can come, so why not take the Abarth, something Italian, and then take the German Passat. Now look how dirty this diesel is. It's just going to look clean and shiny. We're going to get these wheels popping for tomorrow. To be honest, they don't actually look too bad. But let's clean the old decked wagon up for tomorrow's German meet. Bola, what is going on here? The wheels haven't been on for a year yet, have they?
Less than 6 months.
Oh my god. The fronts are absolutely fine, but what's going on here?
And they've been ceramic sealed.
Wow. So I'm here to do an outro for my meat video, which I held a couple of days ago, because I forget to do these outros. But by the time I come home from the meet, obviously it was dark, so hence why I didn't do the outro then. So the meet went really well. We had about 5 or 6 Abarths turned up, including my old ONU one, so that was nice to see that one again. But I've seen it a few times anyway since my ownership of that one. We had some classic cars turn up as well, including a real old Alfa Romeo, a Daimler, which sounded real nice when that left. We also had a Porsche that came, and we had some Audis, and we had Mike's BMW as well. So we had a little German section, we had the Italian section as well, so that was pretty cool. I would have hoped more people would have came along, but maybe because it was either on Easter Friday, Good Friday, people were probably doing stuff with their families. What an excuse, eh? So yeah, but the turnout was alright. Didn't really do too much filming as it was quite a small meet, so I wanted to really get around, talk to people, then sort of filming and do my own thing on my own. Yeah, real nice. We stayed for some food with Mike and Teresa in the end with the BMW, and we had a little bit of a dog fest because they brought their 2 dogs along. We brought our dog along, one of our dogs, and we brought the other 2 dogs, which are the 2 little naughty boy cousins. But yeah, it was a really nice turnout. And I'll probably will hold another meet, I don't know when, but yeah, my last one was more successful than this one, but like I said, it was over Easter, so people were probably busy, which I can understand that. So yeah, if you like this little meet video, then give it a like, subscribe. So I'm getting my subscriber counts going up slowly, which I'm very, very grateful for. And hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time one of my videos goes up on the channel. Follow me on Instagram, and also I'll leave the link in the description below. I've set up a crowdfunding page. I'm trying to raise some funds to get the next modification for my Abarth 595 Trofeo, and that's a sports cat. So once we have the sports cat, we can then get it remapped and the pops and bangs added on like my parents' comp's also got. So if you really want to show your support for my YouTube channel and my Trofeo, then please donate. Anything helps, as they say, and I've already had a couple of donations, so thank you, or thank you for that. So if you can help, then please do. If not, check out the page and check out my stuff on Insta. So I'll see you in another one, guys. Thanks for watching, and happy Easter. Bye.